When it comes to healthy muscle growth, selecting the right protein powder can make a significant difference in achieving your fitness goals. With an overwhelming array of choices in today's market, it's essential to know what to look for and how to choose a product that aligns with your needs. Protein powders primarily serve to help rebuild muscle tissue after workouts, and the best options contain high-quality protein sources that are easily absorbed by the body. Whey protein stands as a popular choice derived from milk during cheese production. This fast-absorbing protein is rich in essential amino acids, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. Its ability to quickly spike protein synthesis means your muscles can heal and grow stronger after strenuous workouts. If you're lactose intolerant or prefer a plant-based approach, pea protein offers a fantastic alternative. Packed with branched-chain amino acids, pea protein supports muscle building while being gentle on the stomach. Another critical factor in choosing a protein powder is the presence of additional nutrients. Look for products fortified with vitamins and minerals that can enhance recovery and overall health. Some powders include digestive enzymes, which aid in better absorption and decrease bloating, fostering a smoother transition into your diet. Furthermore, consider whether the protein powder contains additives or fillers. Simplicity is key. The fewer the ingredients, the better the quality of the product. Taste and mixability are also essential. A protein powder that blends well and tastes great will encourage consistent use. Since you might be consuming protein shakes daily, seek flavors that inspire you to enjoy your supplements rather than dread them. Reading reviews and perhaps trying sample packs can help you find your preferred flavor and texture before committing to a larger purchase. Lastly, your personal dietary preferences and restrictions should guide your choices. For those following a keto or low-carb diet, whey isolate and egg white protein can be great options. Vegans, on the other hand, will benefit from blends containing rice, hemp, or soy protein for a complete amino acid profile. Finding the right protein powder not only boosts your muscle growth, but also supports your overall health journey.